right? So we want to get depth on this, because the leg press, we're not getting absolutely full range on there, yeah? So when you get full range on here, it's a bit more the medialis and pushing with the outside vastus, yeah? Okay? Good. Then on your ass, mate. Hands on the floor. Narrower stance to start with. It's going to be narrow, yeah? Because the narrower the stance, the more range you're getting, the more motion, right? And it's very important, this one, get all the way down. Good. That's it. All right, there we go. Through the heels. 2, 3, come on. 4, the position's perfect and everything. Well, you're messing about with your hands, yeah? Hold it on here at the end and forget about it, yeah? Because you're distracting yourself thinking, where's still put my hands? I've got to focus on the legs 100%, yeah? Your hands are fine on the end.